Good morning. So you guys saw the bucking recipe, but if your bucking is all done or you put it in a small bowl to put in the fridge, then you'll be left over with the residue, the oil from the bucking. Now I don't want you to wash your pan. You know what you can do? Something really delicious. So this is what's left over. As you notice, I don't have much oil in there, so I'm gonna just throw a little. And you want to make sure it's a non-stick pan. Kind of. I'm even gonna add a little bit of bucking that I still have left over. And so what I'm gonna do is I have some eggs here and I beat it just a bit, and I'm gonna add it to the pan. Leftover bucking or bucking in general makes a really good scrambled egg. It's so delicious. And although it doesn't look so pretty, it tastes hella good. Leave that cook just a bit on low fire. You know, you can make scramble, but you can also just make an omelette, a bucking omelette.